The Siambr, or Senedd Chamber, is one of only a handful of parliaments in the continent of Europe that is shaped as a circle, making sessions a lot more inclusive and far less confrontational compared to having opposing benches. The main sessions are known as plenary, and they are led by the presiding officer, who sits behind the golden mace and directly opposite the First Minister of Wales. The PO acts as the Speaker of the Parliament, making sure all meetings are held fairly and orderly, like a teacher or a referee on a pitch. This is the only fully bilingual Parliament building in the UK. Around 20 of 60 of our members will regularly use Welsh to voice concerns of their constituents and to discuss proposed laws and legislation. All seats in the public gallery will have a set of headphones plugged into the seat, which supply the public with a live simultaneous translation from Welsh into English. This is to ensure both languages are treated equally and that we respect each member's preferred choice of language.